Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to get higher exchange rates on PayPal. When you send or receive money in different currencies, PayPal applies its own exchange rate, which includes a currency conversion spread. Before converting your money, it's always a good idea to check the current exchange rate so you know how much you'll receive. In some situations, you may also be able to choose whether PayPal or your card provider performs the currency conversion. Now let's get started. First, open the PayPal website and sign into your account. Now go to your wallet, then click Currency Calculator. After that, choose the currency you want to convert from and the currency you want to convert to. Now the current PayPal exchange rate will appear automatically. Review the exchange rate carefully before confirming your conversion. If you're sending a payment in a currency that isn't your default currency, check whether you have the option to let your card issuer perform the conversion instead of PayPal, as this may offer a better exchange rate in some cases. Keep in mind that PayPal updates its exchange rates regularly, and the displayed rate includes a currency conversion spread based on the wholesale market exchange rate. The PayPal exchange rate is used when you send payments in another currency, withdraw money in a different currency, convert one currency balance into another, or receive payments that are automatically converted. Finally, compare the available conversion options before completing your transaction so you can choose the one that offers the best value. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.